I have seen that 80 to 90% of the students, whether the student is very intelligent or the student is very weak in English, everyone finds a difficulty in MCQs. So in this video we will be talking about MCQs and I will be telling you one trick that you need to follow as to get a very great band score. So the trick is there are four type of options that you are having in MCQs. There are four type of options. The first option is a distractor. A distractor that is not related to anything in the passage. This is a distractor which talks about some information and you do not find anything related to that in the passage. Second, the second type of distractor is something that has half information true but half information is wrong in that, and this is also a distractor that is always the wrong option. Third, the third type of distractor is in which you cannot infer anything, means you are not able to understand anything. You are not able to look out that what it is talking about. That is not sensible, it is illogical. So this is also a distractor. In this video we will be looking for all of these things, that how you mark the correct answer in the MCQs. So stay tuned to watch this very short and crisp video. So for the example, I am having a question over here, that is question number 22. Ancient uses of the word road. First of all, I would like to tell you that this passage is based upon prehistoric times and they are talking about roads, tracks over there in this section. So we will find that what are the ancient uses of the word road, and from these four options we are having three distractors, and here we will find that what is a distractor. Okay, so the first option we are having is differ greatly in comparison to the present use. Second, only referred to paths longer than 400 km. C, were how Celts described the path of their ancestors. D, included a wide range of types of path. So here we are at our location of the answer. I am just taking you to the location because I want to make the video short and the things should be easily understood by you. So from here, however, till here we are having the location. However, what we understand by road is in meaning far from what ancient Britons took it to mean. In those times, a road was most likely a grassy track or possibly even a dirt path. It is undoubtedly possible that some Celtic sections of the track had their origins back in prehistoric times, and there is evidence to suggest that Celts used the same routes as their ancestors. So what I get to understand from this is what we mean by road today. In prehistoric times it was totally different. What we think of road is that a road is a paved path on which we drive our vehicles and it is usually metalled, and in this they are saying that it was possibly a grassy track or a dirt path. Moreover, in the first line we got the answer, what they are saying that what we understand by road is in meaning far from what ancient Britons took it to mean. Okay, let's go on to our options. First option is differ greatly in comparison to the present use. So yes, this is the correct answer. Why? The reason is we got the things that are written in the first line. They were saying that the meaning of the road that we understand today, in past it was totally different, and here also the same line is saying. Now let's see that why the other options are distractors and what type of distractors they are. First is only referred to paths longer than 400 km. This is not the answer. Why? Because about this there was no information. There was no info regarding this. This is why this is the wrong answer. Were how Celts described the paths of their ancestors. They are not describing the paths. They are telling that Celts also used the same routes as their ancestors. So one part of the, I would say not one part, but we cannot understand anything properly. We cannot get anything properly, nothing to understand. Okay, when you do not understand anything properly, you are not able to infer the meaning that what the sentence is saying. At that time it is a distractor. Included a wide range of types of path. Yes, they are talking about types of path but not the wide range. Why? Because they were only talking about two. One was grassy track or even a dirt path. So that is why this is not also a correct information. Why? Because only one part of the information is true, the other part is wrong. So this is how you find the distractors. Try to use this tip in your practice daily, because when you will practice with this method, it will be very easy for you to use this in your exam. So I think that it would have been a really helpful video for all of you. Thank you for watching this.